What is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, I appreciate you guys clicking on this video and hanging out with us this Friday. I hope you guys had a great trading week. Mine was pretty good. I'm about 1% up on my new challenge with my Forex fund, so a decent start. I have a couple weeks left on that. But if you guys are, like I said, new to the channel and you guys don't know who I am, I'm just an aspiring trader. I'm on my third year of trading right now, and my goals with this channel is just to be as transparent as possible, with my trading journey, ups, downs, everything. Some of my videos will be trade breakdowns. Some of my videos will be, trading challenge. I'm trying to get funded right now, so that's one of my main goals. So yeah, if you guys are new, I would appreciate you guys to subscribe if you guys get any value out of this video. In today's video, I'm going to be going over my trade of the week. So every week I'll post, my favorite trade that I've taken throughout the week. This one's going to be a supply setup on USD CAD that I took, I believe, on Thursday, excuse me. So I took this yesterday. But yeah, let me know in the comments below how your trading week has gone so far. And I appreciate you guys watching, but without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the trading. Alright, let's go ahead and get into the trading portion of this video. So like I said, this was my trade of the week, or my favorite trade that I took this week. So quick analysis here. So USD CAD on the 5-minute time frame, we are trading below the 200 moving average. We are just moving down pretty heavily with momentum here, and this again was yesterday. On Thursday morning. So like I said, we're trading below the 200 moving average. So price is moving down here in this channel. It breaks up, never breaks any major highs though, which would be up here. Continues trading below the 200, dips back down, comes up, creates a lower high right here, and creating this supply zone with this, if I zoom in a little bit, with this bearish candle that just tanks right here. So it creates a supply zone, melts, comes down, breaks this low right here and this low, and then comes back up. And at this point, I am realizing that we're in a bearish trend on the higher time frames as well. We're making bearish market structure, meaning lower highs and lower lows, and just broke structure to the downside. We're coming back up to a supply zone. So in my head, I already have this drawn up, marked it as supply, and I'm waiting for that supply to hit. And then once the supply zones hit, you want to, you have to react. So you can't, I personally, some people will put like a sell limit right here. So as soon as it taps in, their sell will activate. But for me, I don't know what price is going to do. Price could just blast through the zone, and then you just take a loss for no reason pretty much. So I wait. I mainly trade with market execution. Sometimes if I'm waiting for a break of candle, I'll put a sell stop or a buy stop depending if it's on a supply or demand. But let's go ahead and move forward here. So you can see price comes in and wicks out immediately, which is a really good indication that it's going to reject that zone. If we play the next candle, you'll see that it's coming down right here. So this would have been good for an aggressive entry since there's no candles closing inside the zone, but I didn't get an aggressive here. If we play the next one, this is where I got in at the break of that second candle of the bearish candle, and I had my stops right up here above this previous bull candle, which is inside the supply zone, and I'm aiming for a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, so about right there. And a few candles later, boom. At this point, I had already won the trade. It hit a 1-to-1 risk to reward, so I took out half of my position, and I let the rest run, and I would continued monitoring price. And once it went down here to about a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio, I took out my other half. And just because I started to see some rejections here, and as you can see, the momentum slows, and then you can see it starts to move back up. I ended up just kind of consolidating for the rest of the morning. So I was really happy with that trade. Let me see, I don't know if it ever, oh yeah, it did. So if I would have kept holding that trade, it would have just gone to my break even, which would have been fine either way because I still took out 50%, took out profit. at the 1-to-1. So this is the majority of my trading on personal accounts or funded accounts is done this way. Trading simple, supply and demand strategy. I hope that you guys were able to understand from this quick video, kind of how I'm thinking throughout the trade, what I'm doing. I'm marking up my zones and I'm waiting patiently for them to come to the zone, and then I'm watching to see how they react. I'm not just immediately hopping in, because even if I got in, say I got in aggressive here, I saw this candle come in, I saw it start rejecting, so I immediately got in. This next candle could have just flew right through the zone and it would have been an immediate loss for no reason, just because I wasn't patient. So I hope you guys got some value out of this. In the comment section below, or if you guys have any questions, if you guys just want to ask me any general questions, go ahead and drop them down below. I do my best to respond to people in the comments. But I really appreciate a like on this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Again, every week I'll be posting in my trade of the week. This was my trade of the week this week. For some reason, the past couple weeks it's been on USD CAD. It's just been moving clean for me, and you can get like a 5 to 8 pip stop loss on USD CAD, which is super nice. So hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you guys had a good trading week. Again, let me know how it was down below. But I appreciate you guys watching. I'm out.